In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a PNG image here in Canva. Now, Canva actually makes this really easy, and there's two different ways to do this. The first way is by having a project open, a new design, just like this, and then coming over to the upload section just here, and then simply just dragging your PNG into that upload section. And then that's been uploaded and added here in Canva, and then you can use that in your designs. Now, another way is by using just the home page. So if we come over here to the home page of Canva, we can then simply just take that image again and just drag it onto the home page just like this. It's then going to take a couple of seconds to upload. Then you can either come to images just here and or uploads just here. So if we click on images, we've now got two of them because we did upload in the upload section as well. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to add PNG images here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.